Adventure Kids.
La 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 la, la 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 la. Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah, ha ha ha. It was a sunny morning at the playground. JJ and friends ran to their favorite swings. But wait, the playground was glowing and wiggling. The round stepping stones began to bounce. Boing, boing! They're turning into balls. The flat sandbox squares stacked up high, click clack. They're turning into blocks. And the pointy roof over the slide stretched tall. Whee! It's turning into a triangle slide.
This isn't just a playground.
JJ giggled.
It's a shape-shifting playground.
When circles roll around, around, they bounce up off the ground. Round and round, look what we found. A ball makes a bouncy sound. Shapes can change, shapes can play in the playground every day. Circle, square, triangle too. So many things that shapes can do. When squares stack up so high, they build up to the sky. Side by side, nice and wide, blocks help towers fly. Shapes can change, shapes can play in the playground every day. Circle, square, triangle too, so many things that shapes can do. When triangles point up high, they make a slippery slide. Up we go, down we glide. What a fun, fast ride! Shapes can change, shapes can play. Learning shapes the fun way. Circle, square, triangle too. Let's shout the shapes, yahoo! Can you help the playground change? Roll your arms like a circle. Circle, make a box shape with your hands. Square, point your fingers up. Triangle, let's wiggle and shape shift together. Uh-oh, the shapes start mixing up. The circle tries to stack like a block, but it rolls away. The triangle tries to bounce, bonk. Not so bouncy. JJ laughs.
They're special because they each do different things.
The circle says, I roll. The square says, I stack. The triangle says, I slide. Now the playground works perfectly again.
Can you find the circle near you?
Pause.
What about something shaped like a square?
Pause.
Can you spot a triangle? Shapes are everywhere.
Let's pretend.
Then be a circle, roll in place.
What about something shaped
Like a square. Can you spot a triangle? Shapes are everywhere.
Let's pretend.
Shapes are magic, don't you see? They make the playground fun for me.
Hula, 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 ha, ha, ha.
Shapes can change, shapes can play. Learning shapes every day. Circle rolls,
Square stack.
triangle slide down the track.
Shapes are magic, don't you see? They make the playground fun for me. La la, la la, la la, ha.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and most importantly subscribe to support this channel.